Who currently holds the Kohinoor diamond? A. India. B. Pakistan. C. Britain. Correct answer is C. Britain. Which country drinks the most tea? A. India. B. Turkey. C. China. Correct answer is C. China. Which is the most abundant animal in the world? A. Cow. B. Chicken. C. Goat. Correct answer is B. Chicken. Who is known as the magician of hockey? A. Major Dhyan Chand. B. Kapil Dev. C. Sachin Tendulkar. Correct answer is A. Major Dhyan Chand. Which state is known as Science City? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Kolkata. Where in the world do the most lightning strikes occur? A. India. B. Venezuela. C. Congo. Correct answer is B. Venezuela. Which country has the most pet animals? A. India. B. Brazil. C. China. Correct answer is A. India. Which state is the largest producer of ghee? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. What appears in the sky when rain is about to occur? A. Sunlight. B. Rainbow. C. Stars. Correct answer is B. Rainbow. How many teeth does a lion have? A. 32. B. 36. C. 30. Correct answer is C. 30. What is the oldest language in India? A. Hindi. B. Sanskrit. C. Tamil. Correct answer is B. Sanskrit. Which train passes through various states in India? A. Rajdhani Express. B. Vivek Express. C. Shatabdi Express. Correct answer is B. Vivek Express. How many teeth does a mosquito have? A. 24. B. 32. C. 47. Correct answer is C. 47. Which country has the most libraries in the world? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is C. USA. How many teeth does a monkey have? A. 28. B. 30. C. 32. Correct answer is C. 32. When was ISRO established? A. 1965. B. 1969. C. 1971. Correct answer is B. 1969. Which is the angriest animal? A. Elephant. B. Black rhino. C. Lion. Correct answer is B. Black rhino. In which country is tobacco banned? A. Bhutan. B. Singapore. C. Norway. Correct answer is A. Bhutan. Which state in India has the cheapest petrol? A. Goa. B. Andaman and Nicobar. C. Mizoram. Correct answer is B. Andaman and Nicobar. McDonald's is a company from which country? A. United Kingdom. B. United States. C. France. Correct answer is B. United States.